on my brother, young dude, what the fuck? I'm tired of all of this fuck shit. Young nigga know they can get it on cut. And I would just stay young nigga in the cut, out here trying to get it on cut. Fuck niggas out here really got my ass really fucked up. Yeah, I stepped out, he stepped in. Shot his ass, we got in the blend. Me and my little niggas know ain't got friends. Tired of these fuck niggas, not for real man. I had to get up, everybody know me. Me and my little niggas, that's who we on it, homie. I've been out for 7 months. Shit really got a nigga fucked up. I can't really trust nobody. Really can't even trust the soul. Put that shit up on the bro. Lola Quinn, hey, yeah,